Understanding the phrase, cut the crap, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, cut the crap. This phrase is common in conversational English and can be a bit confusing for language learners. In this video, we'll explore its meaning, usage, and some important nuances. Let's get started. Cut the crap is an informal, somewhat abrupt phrase used to express frustration or impatience. It means to stop saying things that are not true or not important. Essentially, it's a direct way of telling someone to stop wasting time with unnecessary or dishonest talk. Be cautious with this phrase. Cut the crap is quite informal and can be considered rude or confrontational. It's often used among friends or in situations where directness is acceptable. However, it's not suitable for formal or professional settings. Understanding the tone and context is crucial when using this expression. Let's look at some examples. In a friendly argument, "Come on, cut the crap and tell me the real reason you don't want to go to the party." In a movie scene, a detective might say to a suspect, "Cut the crap. Where were you on the night of the murder?" These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, always conveying a sense of urgency or frustration. It's interesting to note that "cut the crap" reflects a direct and straightforward aspect of communication often found in English-speaking cultures, especially in American English. It's part of a broader cultural context where being direct is sometimes valued over being polite. That's all for today on the phrase, cut the crap. Remember, while it's a colorful and expressive part of the English language, use it wisely and consider the setting. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this unique phrase. See you in the next one.